welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mackenzie. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. It's a fun time over here and you won't want to miss my other videos, I promise. Today is Monday, June 14th. I have a lot to do today. Let's make a to-do list, guys. We have a pen, we have a notebook right here, just a piece of lined paper, but we're gonna make a to-do list because I work best to-do lists because I need to like visualize what I need to do. Today is just another productive Monday vlog. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while, a few weeks maybe, because I really haven't been productive all that much. I've been dealing with finals, graduation party, 3-year anniversary of my boyfriend, just a lot of things on the plate that I honestly haven't had time to like get all my stuff situated and in order. As you may or may not know, I'm moving out next month, so I have a lot of things to like organize in my mind. That's also another thing that's been on my plate, so it's just been a hell of a time trying to like get my day-to-day life organized as well as up here organized. Today's first order of business is I need to go buy stamps because I wrote thank you letters for my graduation party and for any gift, which pro tip, I highly suggest doing that because I feel like that just shows your gratitude way more than like a text or just like not saying anything in general. I definitely recommend sending thank you cards to people because it's a little bit more personal. And especially older people love it to see it more. So I need to buy stamps to send out my thank you cards. I need to organize my room, clean out drawers. I need to, I feel like a lot more I had to do today. Oh, get a car wash. Okay, for the time being, that's what we have today because I feel like I had so much more to do yesterday that, oh, I need to go to the bank. I think that's all I had to do today. I can send in a disposable and I need to plan outfits for Vegas / buy outfits for Vegas because I'm going to Vegas in 2 weeks, a week and a half kind of, so I'm very excited for that, but I need to plan outfits for it. So that's what is on the agenda today. I hopefully will get everything done or I will add some things that I need to get done last minute. First order of business on a productive Monday is coffee. I already uploaded my video, my get ready with me for my 3-year with my boyfriend. So that's already crossed off the list. Yesterday I went to go buy more of my coffee because it is the best coffee. I think I really sell my Target out of them. It is gonna be so hot this week, you guys. It's gonna be like, I think 102 tomorrow. So tomorrow honestly calls for a beach day. See, I go through these like nothing. I'm already like down to here after the first coffee. They need to make them like jumbo size. Just for me though. I also need to attack some emails. I've been really bad at responding to emails the past week because I've had so much shit going on. I had my graduation party on Friday. We catered like a taco guy. He was so good. So we have so many leftovers from that, but we also bought this like the nothing bundt cake, I don't know, but it's in my fridge. It is the best cake ever. Okay, I'm gonna drink some coffee. I'm gonna answer some emails before we do anything or go anywhere. It is a little while later. I'm gonna just get dressed for the day because, oh, another thing I had to do is laundry today. Because look at this room. So my sister moved out. And now we've created her room to be like where I put my stuff from my apartment in the future, my laundry room, basically. Let me show you. Literally all of my stuff from my apartment that I am accumulating. I have PR packages. I need to kind of fix that today because that is not okay. I literally have like no clothes to wear because all of my laundry is dirty. I'm gonna get dressed into an outfit that I can just like run around, like run errands in and stuff. Nothing too cute. Also, during this time I've been away, I've been like debating whether to go to my college graduation. And I know that sounds like so dumb to even be like considering, but you guys, it is like 100 degrees today. Like it is so freaking hot. With COVID and everything, it's not really like a ceremony. It's just like you get your like names read off of a list, you walk up stage, you take a photo, and then you leave. There's no ceremony. It's just the list of names. So I'm like, is that even worth going and like waiting in the heat and stuff? And like you can bring 2 guests, but my mom and my dad can't come. My dad's camping and my mom teaches summer school. Do I just bring Allie to my graduation or like what? And like Q works, so he can't come. And it's like, okay, if I can't have anybody come with me, like what's the point? Like I'm literally like, Allie didn't pay for my college graduate, you know, like my mom, I don't even know how to explain it. Like I'm just debating whether to go or not. It's at 5. It's currently 11. So I'm like, everyone's like, you're gonna regret it if you don't go. But I don't know. Am I? Because a lot of people don't walk at graduation. So I'm like, do I suck it up and go? Or do I just... Because I'm already mentally also checked out. I'm like, literally, this is not even like the last final like straw. It is, I'm already like checked out. I'm already doing my thing, you know. While we ponder that, I'm gonna get dressed. First order of business is throwing a load of laundry in. Also, this is what I'm wearing. This shirt is from Princess Polly. These jeans are Levi's. And I'm wearing Forever 21 sandals. So yeah, I'm gonna carry this downstairs and start the laundry. I'm gonna bring my to-do list so I can check it off as I go. I have my thank you cards in here, and I'm just gonna buy stamps and then put them on there and send them out as soon as I get them. While we're out, I also need to get a car wash, go to the bank. Where's that disposable that I have ready to go? Okay, well, I don't know where that disposable went, but that's also, if I can find that, that's also something that I need to do. So I'll see you guys while we're out there. Here at the post office, time to go in and get some stamps. Hopefully the line's not long. Tomorrow's like supposed to be the mask mandate. It's like over. This is not the most flattering angle, but we're gonna put the stamps on the letters. That is done. Now I'm just gonna go drop them off in the little box. Okay, while I'm out, I'm also going to CVS to drop off my disposable. I found it. It was just in my car. I'm gonna go drop this off, and I never know which is better with it, like either CVS or Walgreens, but I'm just gonna go to CVS today and drop this off. Okay, we're back in my kitchen. I actually went to Walgreens to do it because the line was insanely long at CVS. And I feel like CVS takes longer to process their like photos. So I just went to Walgreens and it'll be ready in like 10 days basically. So now I'm going to clean out my car. I feel like I'm on a roll. I gotta keep going. After I do that, I'm gonna go get a car wash. Like a nice car wash, because most of the times I just run my car like through like a drive-through one where they don't get the inside. But this time, it's time for a good scrubbing. I need to go to the bank, and then the rest is just household stuff. I need to like pick up purses and shit that I have like around the house and stuff, and then let's go clean out my car.
Nobody's stealing covers.
I took a little break. Now it's game time, bitches. No, I'm kidding.
I took a couple, you know, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
I took a little break because I ordered some bar stools. Sorry, my card was full, but I ordered bar stools off of Target for my apartment, and I'll insert a picture of them here. They come next week, I think. But now I have to go get a car wash and go to the bank. Yeah. See you guys there. Okay, so it is a few hours later. It's 5 o'clock. Obviously I'm not going to my graduation ceremony. Honestly, it's not even a ceremony. It's just a list of reading names and stuff. So, you know, and I was like, I'm already done. I already have photos and everything. I'm in my sister's like empty room, basically my storage room. For the moment, I wanted to show you. I'll insert a clips of the other day. I opened all of these PR packages on camera. I just never did anything with it. Hi, I just decided to pick up the camera. I have so many packages that I want to show you guys. I just got vaccinated. Fully vaccinated. Oh, tiny girl.
Can I take a potty first?
Yeah. Oh, did you wake up? You're so sleepy, girl. You pee-peed and poo-pooed in the house so many times today. So I'm gonna open up some of these packages. I am so excited about this because this is en route jewelry with Ava Jewels. I'm so excited about this. Aww. Wow, this is really cute. Hey babe, this collection was inspired by the beauty of the world we live in. Wear it with confidence and love. I hope you enjoy this collection as much as I do. With aloha, Ava Jewels. Okay. God, you guys, look at this. Like, can we take a moment? This is actually so stunning. Let's open it up. First box. I don't know what it is. Oh my God. This is so freaking cute. I think it's a necklace. It's hard to tell the size. Necklace? Question mark? Choker? Moment. Stunning. Second box, we have this little package. I don't know if this will fit my fat fingers, but oh my God, I think it's Hawaii. Wow. Oh, it fits. It fits my ring fingers. Oh my God, stunning. This box, stunning earrings. Look at these dangly like little earrings that have pearls. Oh my God, there's so many. I'm obsessed. These cute earrings. Oh my God, I'm gonna wear these like right away. Then we have these dangly ones. This is such beautiful jewelry. Ava, if you're watching this, I can't believe you created this. This is insane. It looks like a bracelet. Another ring. I'm obsessed with rings. I literally not have. Oh, you guys, this little ring. Stop, 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 stop. That is the cutest thing ever. Little stacking moment. Are you kidding me? This is such unique pieces. I'm obsessed. Next package. Not really sure where this is from. Oh, this is something that is not for your eyes at the moment. And then I got my rug for my apartment, which is right here. I got it from Boutique Rugs. I'm excited. I want to unravel it, but it's too big. I'm gonna have to wait until we move. But I'm very excited about it. I'll have it linked down below if I can find it. It was like a percentage off. It was actually like a lot off. I think it was like 60% off. So I got it for a lot cheaper than it originally was. It was like 300 or something, and I got it for like 150. I got this throw blanket from Target the other day, and I just think it would be such a good like mixture, like addition of color, because everything I have currently for my bedding and everything is white. So I was like, oh, you know what, like let me just like do a colorful throw kind of. I don't know, I just think it would look good. And I got a headboard, which is still in its packaging, and then my rug is right here. I think I showed you guys this. Oh my God, it literally almost broke my neck. Are you kidding me? Why did I think I could carry that? Oh, dang. That was insane. But yeah, this is my to-do list, and I checked off all but 2, basically, because I'm saving that for another video, which is organizing my room and cleaning out my drawers. Right now I'm gonna start planning outfits for Vegas, maybe kind of online shopping and stuff. But yeah, I bought stamps, I sent out thank you cards, I got a car wash, went to the bank, sent in a disposable, did laundry. I'm feeling pretty productive for today's video. I know a lot of you guys like these videos, but I also want to make it known that most days I'm not like this. I mean, I like to do this on Mondays because it kind of sets my week off really well. I get all the things I need to get done on a Monday, which I have the rest of the week to just do whatever. do last minute stuff. So yeah, don't feel like you have to be like this in order to be like have a good life. Like, you just set small goals of the week. Even though today I didn't do anything like absolutely like crazy and long, it was still like little goals. Look at this cute cowboy hat I got off Amazon. These like crochet kind of cowboy hats have been so in recently. I have it linked on my Amazon storefront if anybody wants them. They come in pink and blue and white and like brown, I think. I just wanted to end the video off here. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.